Hello, in this video we show how to save the results of the previous command in R. So we know in RStudio you can use the arrow key on the keyboard, the up arrow key, to show the last commands one by one. And sometimes you can also save the last command's value using these items on the right side of the assignment command. So next we show in RStudio. So in RStudio we run three commands. So first, create an object, a vector to A. Then create a vector with three string elements to B. Then we create a third vector with three logical elements to C. So you can show A, B, and C. And you can also use up arrow key on the keyboard to show the last commands one by one. So we use this one, arrow key. I just used arrow key, B, A, right? Can show the commands you want to see. Then say we want to save the last commands directly to an object. So we can use X, for example, in assignment dot last, you know, the value. So now we show X again. So X is the third assignment element command we have run, right? This is C with the elements of logical type. So we can just use a dot last value to assign the value of the last commands to an object in R. Thanks for watching.